again, that we talk in this video about debugging. You remember when we click here and we add this right button, and then we click right and select debug instead run? That's mean debugging. Debugging is a really good practice for you to learn how your application runs step by step and how you could debug your code and find issues and fix them. When your code gets too big, it's really hard to run it one time and see the result. It's better to trace it. So to trace it, you add a debug point and trace it step by step. So for now, I just add debug point in the first line, so the debug will start from the first line. You see, ask me for the data bit. I say 1990, and it will run just step by step normally. I should run step by step to go next, until it show me the results. Why? Because I did add the breakpoint in the first line. What if I add the breakpoint here instead this one? Now when I run it, it will run all this code normally until it will reach this point. Then in this point, it will start debugging. So you use this when you have issue in a specific part of the code, you put debug in that place. So I say 1990, enter. So see, just run these two lines without any debug. Now I could debug from here and after. In the case you have issue in a specific part of code, you put it only in that part, not from the start point, definitely. What if you want just only run the code on a specific condition? For example, suppose this code work all the times, give you correct date of birth. Only when someone enter 2020, it give you minus value. So in this case, you don't want to run debug all the time. You want to run debug a specific case. So in this case, just click right here and say only when year of birth, make sure year of birth is equal 2020. Okay, you click OK. Make sure you add the condition after that line. So if in this line you have the issue, in the line after you add the condition. Okay? What I mean by that, I want to read, I have this variable has an issue. In the line after, I just click on it and I input the variable name. I say equal 2020. Okay, then I click done. Now, when anyone debug this code and did not enter 2020, the code will run normally without any debugging. So that will help me to run my code in normal case, normally without any issue. So just wait a second and see. So if I enter 2001, the code will run fine, no issue. Only if I enter 2000, now boom, I will get issue and it will start run step by step to debug. I mean, if I enter 2020, it will start debugging it. I think I put 2020. See, 2020. So yeah, okay, there's a debug. You input 2020. Next, okay, the current age is 2019 minus 2020. It definitely give you age in minus. Yeah, now I understand why I'm getting in minus. This is the basic scenario for debugging. So yeah, make sure always learn how to debug your code. Always, whenever you have a specific problem in a specific part of code, put debugger there and start running step by step to see why there is a problem. Debugging, remember, is really good skills for you to learn how your code run, also learn how to find issues and fix them. Here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.